The Ouija board as we know it was patented in 1891, marketed as a wonderful talking board, promising answers from the other side. But its roots go back further. Similar spirit boards and automatic writing techniques were used by spiritualists and mediums in the 1800s. These groups believed they could communicate with the dead, often using various tools like pendulums, turning tables, and alphabet boards to spell out messages. The name Ouija itself is said to have come from a session in which the board spelled out its own name. Some claim it's a blend of the French and German words for yes, while others say it was simply chosen at random. The classic Ouija board has the letters A to Z, numbers 0 to 9, and the words yes, no, and goodbye. Players lightly place their fingers on a planchette, which then moves seemingly on its own, spelling out messages. So, is the board actually communicating with spirits? Here's what science and skeptics say. Most scientific explanations point to the ideomotor effect, a psychological phenomenon where people make movements unconsciously. When participants expect something to happen, like the planchette moving, their brains send tiny signals to their muscles without them realizing it. When multiple people touch the planchette, this effect is amplified, and the group can spell out words none of them consciously intended. The result feels mysterious, but it's actually the group's own subtle movements at work. The power of suggestion plays a major role. If one person expects to hear from a specific spirit or get a certain answer, the group's collective anticipation can unconsciously steer the planchette. Add a dimly lit room, a spooky story, and a little social pressure, and you have a recipe for weird, memorable results. Despite the psychological explanations, countless users and some paranormal researchers insist that Ouija boards have produced genuinely inexplicable results. There are stories of detailed messages, predictions that came true, and chilling warnings. Some believe the board can open a door, not just to the spirits of the dead, but to entities far stranger, helping fuel its fearsome reputation in pop culture. However, scientific investigations have never produced verifiable evidence that a Ouija board can summon spirits, demons, or supernatural forces. Most dramatic experiences are typically explained by psychology, group dynamics, and even the occasional prank. Many religious groups, especially within Christianity, warn against using Ouija boards, calling them tools for inviting negative or deceptive spirits. The Catholic Church, for example, has spoken out against divination in all forms. On the other hand, some spiritualist or occult traditions see the Ouija as a legitimate tool for spirit communication, provided it's used with care and respect. So, this brings us back to our question. Are Ouija boards real? It depends on what you mean. If you're asking whether the board has supernatural powers, there's no scientific evidence to support that claim. If you're asking whether the experience feels real to participants, the answer is absolutely yes. Whatever your view, it's clear that the Ouija board's greatest power is its ability to tap into our deepest hopes, fears, and imaginations, making every session an adventure, whether you believe in spirits or not. What do you think? Is the Ouija board real? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make better videos and grow our community of like-minded thinkers. Thanks for watching.